In this very quick video guide, we're going to see how we can convert units and currency. Now, this may be something really simple for many people to do. So it's for people who don't know how to do it. And it's a really quick video guide. So all we need to do is go into Google and we can use the Google tools. So all we need to type here is to convert units. If we want to convert like lengths or areas or other types of measurable units, and the other option is to convert currency. So if we need to convert, for example, euros and United States dollars or Canadian dollars or whatever. So by using this two and just clicking on the results, so if we want units, we're gonna go here and you will find this tool. And if you want currency, you're gonna do the same thing. So just search for this and you're gonna be here. So I'm gonna show you quickly what you can do with this. Now this can be helpful if you're doing architecture or if you're doing management or calculation of various types. Now the basic one, the first one is gonna be the length. So if you want to know, for example, how long is 1 meter in terms of centimeters, well, there you go. Or you can change this and you can switch 1 centimeter is going to be 0.01 meter. So if you want to do like the inverse calculation, or you can also check, for example, the inches. So 1 centimeter is 0.39 inches, or foot, and so on. So or 1 meter is equal to 3.2 foot, and so on. So you also have other stuff here which could be interesting, like data transfer rate, like bit per second, kilobit per second, or digital storage again. So if you wanna, discover how much is 1 byte in terms of kilobyte, or the other way around. And you can also check the difference between the bytes and the bits, which are two different things. So if you just make this setting here, you can see that 1 byte is equal 8 bit, and so on. So then you have energy, you have frequency, something like physical things, mathematics. Again, length, you have mass, you have plane angle, so degrees, a radian, or other types of degree measurement or angle measurement. And then you have pressure and speed and time. Also, this could be interesting if you want to calculate, for example, how many minutes are in 1 day. There you go. So sorry, we need to do the other way. So 1 day equals to 1,440 minutes. So this could be interesting. And volume. So again, you have like imperial system, and you have metric system, and so on. So you can check the difference. Now, if you want to know about currency, this is where you want to go. So currency converter, and we can start. So we can now know how much is €1 in terms of United States dollar, or we can change this into another type of dollar, like I don't know. Let's say here what we have. So Canadian dollar, and then you have all the currency in the world, perhaps. So you just need to search for the one that you're looking for. Let's see here the United States and United Arab Emirates. So €1 equals to 4, and other interesting conversion here, like Swiss franc. You can see also the trend here. And if you want to know more about this, you can go here and check the Google Finance pages. So this will be all for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe. If you want to thank us, join the channel, and see you in the next video guide.